So we're doing another vlog today. I'm doing the vlogging the week of Thanksgiving because if you guys know by now, I love the holidays. So I'm gonna vlog and take you guys along with me for the Thanksgiving week. And I just stepped out and it's snowing. I'm so bad at looking at my forecast. It is snowing, but I am so happy. I am so happy, you guys. I am in heaven. Let it snow. So yeah, so let's go. Shall we take some Christmas carols? Oh, today it's Monday and it's my day off today. So I was like, why not vlog a little bit of what I do on my day off today? I basically stay home for the day. I'm just gonna do some house cleaning, some wig cleaning, things like that. Get my hair ready because Thanksgiving is just around the corner. So I'm just gonna like sort of prep for Thanksgiving personally, you know. So yeah. Silent night. So my makeup brushes are clean. These are what I use for the week. I tend to wash my makeup brushes every week. I wash them off. I'll show you what I wash my brushes with. And there we have all cleaned and ready to go. Tutorials. Make sure you guys are looking at the tutorials. Yeah. Christmas. So this is the soap I use to wash my makeup brushes. It's called Zote or Zote. It's Z-O-T-E. I find it in the supermarket. It's like less than $2. And it's the best thing I've used to wash my makeup brushes so far. So it's Thanksgiving Day. I actually had to work a little bit this morning and I am on my way home to get ready for the feasting. So I'm gonna take you along with me and yeah. I know I look like a hot mess right now, but you'll see the transformation later. Say hello.
rain, baby, come in on me. Beer, but no condom in on me. Oh, I like that, oh, it feels so good. My love on my pussy, just like grab me on. I can't hold it. Baby, I can't hold it. I can't hold it, me a ball out. I don't get me up the ball out. Oh, your fuck is so good, be. So me know you are real G. I can't hold it, me a ball out.
I know so the things can be cheap. One phone call it take to make some boy wipe up her head and drop down flat. From you not stop my food dog, me no matter how you and me no care about that. Talking on my face, say them run place, I run them run round that. Man a action back, some boy only full of tough chat. Enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up. Talk them action fi back, enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up. Chat them a chat, me no pay that no more. Couple rubber band, couple snap them. Couple rubber band, couple snap them. Couple of the tweet, we a drop them. We a go fuck up a party tonight, just watch. Tonight, we really spend some cash. Cool at the events, just watch. If I give out the shoes, then the belt must match. Gucci, loafers with a buff cap. Money a fit high, thicker than a buff cap. We a look on the belly with a touchback. When a bad sound play, we say pull it out back. Everybody shout, yeah, 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 yeah.
That is up there from a vlog. You'll see yourself on YouTube. Of course. Hi, say hi, Yannick. King. King, say hi to my.